it is important that you pick the right memory for your computer. Newer computer will require a memory that is low voltage, implying that it is 1.35 volts. Now, some chip manufacturers will print 1.35 volt, just like these two did. Others will just tell you that it is DDR3L. Okay, so this one did not, but because it says 1.35 volts, then it is a low voltage. Now, these are supposedly more efficient, and they run a bit cooler and supposedly faster than the regular non-low voltage, which will just say DDR3. Now, newer systems, because of energy efficient wise, will require DDR3 low voltage. For example, this Intel NUC model D34010WYKH requires the memory to be low voltage, so 1.35 volts DDR3L. So either if you buy memory, if you notice DDR3L, then that implies low voltage. Or if you see 1.35 volts, then that's also low voltage. So either one of those two indicators will indicate that these are low voltage memory. Now, older generation computer will just take DDR3, which is, for example, is this one. This is it's also the Intel NUC. It's the maroon version of it. If you look at the memory slot, you will see that it is, I'm going to try to kind of blend this at the right angle here, DDR3 1.5 volts, so it's not a low voltage. Here's the good news though. Any low voltage memory, it's also compatible with the non-low voltage computer. So I can take any of these 1.35 volts low voltage memory and install them into the 1.5 volts computer, and they will run just fine. So in other words, these memories are backward compatible. But if I stick a regular 1.5 volt memory into the newer generation low voltage memory slot, it will not run. So be careful, and hopefully you select the right memories for your computer. Last, just to summarize what I just mentioned, when you're buying memory and you're looking for low voltage memory, make sure you look for 1.35 volts or look for DDR3L. Either Google one of those two things, or go on Amazon and look for DDR3L or 1.35 volts to find the right memory for your application. And remember, if you're using it for laptop, or if you're using it for, in my case, the Intel NUC, then these are SODIMM. Alright, they're not the regular full size. They have different DIMM dimension, different pin size, and these are 204 pins, I believe. So make sure you find the right size for your application.